Alright, what's up everybody? In this episode, we'll be going over the latest Tesla software update 2022.12.1. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Now starting off with the new language support, this is brilliant because Teslas are coming to new countries now and they're adding more languages that you can display on this screen right over here, and that is excellent. Next up, additional mobile app controls. So now through the Tesla app, you can now enable camp or dog mode. Before you couldn't do that. But for this feature, you have to have the mobile app version 4.7.0. Next up, child lock. So now the child lock can be enabled for a single rear door. To do so, tap controls, child lock, and select the right, left, or both. So now over here, when you select child lock, you can have it to both, left, or right, and it will also display here as an indication. And now the best feature of this software update, additional bottom bar customization. So when you hold on to this icon, you now have these climate control options here. Before you didn't have these. So for example, you can bring the seat heaters to the dock bar. You can bring the defrost for the front and the rear to the dock bar. You can even bring the wipers. But you can see it took two other icons away from the dock bar. You have space for only 5 icons over here. But anyways, now you can enable the seat heaters from the dock bar versus before you had to swipe up for the climate controls, or you can press this and then you had to do the seat heaters from here. But now you can just tap it from the dock bar, and that saves you from turning the climate control on when you didn't want to. And of course, for the Model S and X refresh, when you tap this, it will give you an option for heating or cooling, because the Model S and X have seat cooling as well. So overall, I think this user interface is like the best user interface on the Tesla as of now, because they brought back the climate controls on the dock bar. You can also customize these, which you didn't have before. They brought back the profile over here. I think this is like an amazing Tesla UI now. They fixed all of our issues we had. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what feature is your favorite from this Tesla software update. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode.